Hi. Have you been wasting most of your time running behind designers and copywriters to help you create a landing page or a website instead of working on growing your business? Are you tired of settling for mediocre designs of your landing pages and your websites? Are you tired of explaining to your copywriter what you want, only to realize he wasn't listening at all and turned in a copy that was far from what you wanted? And have your friends and family been complaining that you have started becoming very angry from time to time? Trying to sell online can be frustrating and can make you angry. Now, don't blame yourself. You're not alone. I've been there, and I know how it feels. Now, there are a few landing page builders out there. I bought one myself too, and that too is pretty expensive. The one that I have, $4.97 a year. It was drag and drop all right, but sorry to say, the designs, well, they kind of sucked. They simply weren't up to the mark. You could tell the designs were created by an amateur, probably to keep the costs of creating the tool lower. And I still had to deal with my copywriter explaining what I wanted and hoping, mostly against hope, that he would be able to position my product in a way that my product deserved. I wish I had the brains of both the designer and a top-class copywriter so that I would have full control over my business, over my destiny, over my life. But alas, as an entrepreneur, I am tuned to see problems as opportunities. It's true that there are drag and drop landing page builders, but what about the copywriting part? No one has been able to provide a solution for that until right now. I took it upon myself and created something that will solve both of these problems in one go. Introducing FastEye, a tool that helps you not only to design your landing pages and websites ultra fast, but it is preloaded with high-converting copywriting packages. Now you design your pages the way you want them to look, and you write your own copy too. This is long overdue. Everything is drag and drop simple. If you can point a computer mouse, you are good to go. FastEye is the world's first landing page builder that includes high-converting copywriting packages, proven to convert headlines, subheadlines, openings, bullets, guarantees, closings, PSs. Everything's done for you. Just pick and use to create complete landing pages and websites within minutes. And not just that, FastEye even has integrated SEO and free-to-use stunning images and icons and a lot more. Scroll down on the page below to see the demo and see for yourself all the amazing features in action. It is astounding. And just so you feel absolutely comfortable in trying FastEye, we are providing you with a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Check out FastEye in detail and watch the demo to see it in action and get instant access at this low price by simply clicking on the button. I am super excited to see you inside our members area.